Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I will demonstrate the ITSM foundational modules, which includes Common Service Data Model, CSDM, Configuration Management, Knowledge Management and Service Catalog. So let's start with CSDM. The ServiceNow CSDM connects your CMDB to services from both a business and technical perspective. It is the foundation for working towards a service-aware CMDB. The benefits of CSDM are many, like more accurate reporting, increased platform maturity, a single service language, staying out of the box to improve control over service costs. So, what is CSDM? The CSDM provides service reporting and guideline for service modeling in the service configuration management. The model includes guidelines for using the base system tables. It aligns configuration items and services with your business strategy. The CSTM is data framework that you follow when you set up ServiceNow products and applications. You adhere to CSTM guidelines when you are define configuration items and relationship between CIs in the CMDB. This process ensures that the data resides in the appropriate CMDB tables for maximum value from your Now platform applications. Data standardization. CSTM helps standardize data across different ITSM processes such as incident management, problem management, change management, and configuration management. By defining common data structures and relationships, CSTM ensures consistency in how data is captured and managed, leading to improved accuracy and reliability of ITSM processes. In service mapping, CSTM facilitates service mapping within ServiceNow, allow organization to visualize the relationships and dependencies between IT services, infrastructure components, and business processes. This helps in understanding the impact of changes or incidents on the business services, enabling proactive management and minimizing disruptions. Then asset management. CSTM enhance asset management capabilities within ServiceNow by providing a standardized framework for managing IT assets and their relationships. This includes hardware assets, software assets, and virtual assets, allowing organization to efficiently track, manage, and optimize their asset lifecycle. Then configuration management. Configuration management in ITSM is the process of identifying, organizing, and controlling the changes that are made to the IT infrastructure, applications, and services within an organization. CMDB is an easy to use cloud based single system of record for your IT infrastructure and digital service data. Every ServiceNow application uses this data model, ensuring that the ServiceNow CMDB delivers value out of the box and that ServiceNow applications work seamlessly with each other. Working seamlessly across the entire IT value stream, it will help you diagnose service outage, evaluate the impact of changes, manage your assets, improve compliance, and much more as following. This process involves maintaining accurate information about the configuration of the organization IT assets, including their version dependencies and relationships. This helps to track all configuration items in your IT system, identify, verify, and maintain critical configuration information for hardware, software, personnel, and documentation. Provides data separation and visibility. A large part of data is supporting ITSM process is only available for fulfill user who are creating, approving changes and using CMDB. Then centralized data repository. Configuration management provides a centralized repository known as the CMDB to store information about all configuration items within the IT environment. This includes hardware, software, infrastructure components, services, and their relationship. Having a single source of truth for configuration data is essential for effective ITSM processes. Then visibility and understanding. Configuration management establishes visibility and understanding of the IT landscape by capturing detailed information about CIs and their relationships. This enables IT teams to have a clear understanding of the organization's IT infrastructure, including dependencies between different components, which is crucial for incident management, problem resolution, and change impact analysis. In change management support, change management support is configuration management where it is closely integrated with the change management process. When a change is proposed, configuration management help access to the potential impact on existing CIs and services. This ensures that changes are evaluated thoroughly, minimizing the risk of disruptions to IT services and maintaining service availability and reliability. And service mapping and dependency analysis. Configuration management supports service mapping and dependency analysis, allowing organizations to map business services to underlying infrastructure components. This helps in understanding the relationship between IT services, applications, and supporting infrastructure, facilitating proactive management and improved service delivery. Then, knowledge management. Knowledge management in ITSM is the process of capturing, organizing, and sharing information related to IT services in order to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of IT service delivery and support. Knowledge management in ITSM is about making sure that the right information is available to the right people at the right time in order to improve the quality of efficiency of IT service delivery. Knowledge management is the process of managing knowledge across an organization and even across industries. Knowledge base contains articles that has information generally regarding self-help, troubleshooting, and task resolution. Knowledge management is both a business process and an application within ServiceNow. The application in ServiceNow supports the process of knowledge management, which is managing the documentation, maintenance, storage, and sharing of knowledge in an organization. Knowledge management is basically a systematic process of gathering, organizing, and sharing an organization's information and expertise for easy access. Technical resources, instructional documentation, FAQ pages, etc., are example of knowledge that should be made available through knowledge management. Centralized knowledge repository. ServiceNow Knowledge Management provides a centralized repository where organization can store various types of knowledge, including articles, documents, FAQs, troubleshooting guides, best practices, and more. This repository serves as a single source of truth for employees to access relevant information. The knowledge creation and capture. It facilitates the creation and capture of knowledge from various sources, including subject matter experts, incident resolutions, problem analysis, service requests, and user feedback. Knowledge authors can easily create, update, and publish articles using intuitive templates and workflows. Knowledge categorization and tagging. Knowledge articles can be categorized and tagged with relevant metadata to ensure easy discovery and retrieval. Users can search for knowledge using keywords, categories, tags, or natural language queries, making it simple to find the information they need. Then, knowledge sharing and collaboration. ServiceNow knowledge management promotes collaboration by allowing user to contribute their expertise and insights to the knowledge repository. It supports collaborative authoring, authoring peer review and approval workflows to ensure the quality and accuracy of knowledge articles. Then service catalog. The no-code service catalog automates workflows and approvals to enable organization to improve the customer experience, accelerate service delivery, and reduce operational costs. The service catalog API is making using internal portal easy without scripting or customizing being required. Highly user-friendly interface boosts self-service, no more double work increases efficiency, transparent offerings of services. The ServiceNow service catalog is the key feature within the ServiceNow platform that enable organization to offer a user-friendly interface for requesting IT services, products, and resources. Here's a detailed overview of ServiceNow service catalog. User-friendly interface. The service catalog provides a centralized user-friendly interface where employees or customers can browse and request IT services and resources. I, it presents services in a structured manner, making it easy for user to find what they need and initiate request. In service offerings, the service catalog includes a wide range of service offerings such as software application, hardware devices, access request, service request, and more. Each service offering is defined with relevant details, including descriptions, request forms, pricing, and fulfillment workflows. Then customization and personalization. ServiceNow allows organization to customize the service catalog to align with their specific service offerings and business requirements. Admins can tailor the catalog structure, layout, categories, and service offerings to match the organization's branding and user preferences. Then service request fulfillment. When user submits requests through the service catalog, ServiceNow automates the fulfillment process based on predefined workflows and approvals rules. Requests can be routed to appropriate teams or individuals for processing, tracking, and fulfillment. So that's all about the overview of ITSM foundational modules. Thank you.